So how do you choose the right class? This is one of the most important steps. If you're a true adult beginner, when you are searching for classes, you will want to look specifically for adult beginner ballet, absolute beginner ballet, or introduction to ballet, ideally, or something that says just adult open ballet that clearly welcomes all levels of adults. I will say, though, mixed level classes, so things that might say beginner/intermediate, are not always ideal for true beginners and can sometimes feel a little bit overwhelming. So don't hesitate to start in a class designed just for adults who are brand new. I have taught beginning adult ballet for many years, and a good adult beginner class should move at a manageable pace, explain terminology, offer modifications for different combinations and steps, focus on the fundamentals, and feel welcoming rather than intimidating. If you are unsure if a class you see online is a good fit for you, email the studio or instructor and ask them, is this class appropriate for adults with no prior ballet experience? That single question can save you a lot of stress. Once you've found a class, the next question is usually, what am I supposed to wear? So let's clear this up. You do not have to wear a leotard, pink tights, or have a perfect ballet bun in your hair. What you do need to wear is clothing you can easily move in, something that is relatively fitted so that alignment is visible to both the teacher and to you when you look in the mirror. You need to wear ballet slippers or socks, and if you have long hair, it is always best to somehow put it up either in a ponytail, clip it up, or some kind of bun just to keep it off of your face and your neck so that you can do all of the steps in class. Now, if leotards and tights are your thing, go for it. Many adult dancers love the traditional ballet attire, and I love to see it in my classes that I teach. Dancewear stores or online retailers can help you find what you need, and I will go ahead and provide a few links in the description of this episode for some items that I would recommend. But if you prefer athletic or athleisure wear instead of leotards and tights, that is completely fine too. Just make sure you can move through a full range of motion, bending, lifting the leg, turning, and expect to sweat a little bit. Comfort and freedom of movement matter far more than aesthetics, especially at the very beginning in your adult ballet class. As for shoes, I do recommend ballet slippers if you plan to take class regularly. They're designed for ballet technique and the studio flooring. But that said, if you're just trying out a class, socks are perfectly acceptable. Just be mindful that they can be a little bit slippery on some studio floors.